As many of you will be aware, the general process of keeping pieces together after they've been cut is to tape them down to the sheet with masking tape. However, having to then remove the tape can sometimes damage the material or leave undesirable marks on the sheet's surface, depending on the material. Generally, the materials affected are card materials such as boxboard, mountboard, and optics card. In this video, we'll go through a simple technique in Rhino to avoid cut pieces needing to be taped to the sheet by creating small etch sections within your external cut profiles so you keep the original finish of your material. This technique can also be used for small pieces you require to be cut that may likely be lost through the laser cutter's bed. In Rhino, once you've nested your line work in the template file and everything is ready for submission, identify where all your external cut profiles are. Having done this, use the explode command to explode and separate any joined cut lines and polylines. It is then simply a matter of selecting one or two individual lines from the external cut profile and changing them to etch lines, again by right-clicking on the etch layer and selecting the change object layer. I've selected two sections at opposite ends of the cut profile to evenly hold the piece in place after it has been cut. Straight lines are preferable, as these will be easier to cut with a knife and ruler once you've received your laser cut job. However, if you have more complex geometry, you may need to choose a section of your external cut profile and split it with temporary drawn lines. Draw two straight lines that intersect your cut profile, then type the command split. Select the cut profile you wish to split and hit enter. Then select the two temporary intersecting lines and hit enter again. This will give you your section of the cut profile to convert to an etch line in order to hold the piece in place when being cut. Finally, delete the temporary intersecting lines. Please do note that this technique is really only suitable for thinner materials such as the optics card, boxboard, mountboard and polypropylene that can be easily cut with a blade knife. Thicker materials such as MDF, plywood and perspex will be far more difficult to cut.